To SRM intraday. Actually, this is the continuation part for the candlestick patterns. If you did not watch the video, please go and watch the first part. Otherwise, no use of this part. And if you're already having some experience with the trading, no need to watch this video. You can simply skip this video. Okay, this is about candle, different types of candles, and importance of those candles on the chart. That's all. Okay, right. You don't need to waste the time. If you already know the information, you can skip the video. Right. Coming to the first one, Marubozu candle. This is simply a bullish candle. Simply bullish candle. It will shows the interest of buyers. Shows the interest of buyers. Actually, there is no wick for the, you know the meaning of body and wick. Okay, this is open and this is closed. There is no wick. If there is no wick, well, good. It can be 100%. We can take it as a market in the market or in that particular time frame. Buyers are very much interested, very much interested. Like that, you can understand. And sometimes we can have the wick, but it should be a small wick. It should not be long wick. It should be very small wick. We can consider, no problem. And this candle, if this candle is appeared, that you should understand, market is in favor of buyers. But I already told you so many times, my dear friends, every time at every location of chart, you cannot take this candle as a positive or in favor of buyers. And a perfect location only we should consider this. What is that location? BOC, only at the breakout. This is a breakout candle. BOC, breakout candle. For example, market is moving like this, moving like this. Suddenly, if one breakout is happened with this Marubozu candle, I can consider it as a perfect breakout. In the retracement, whatever we have different methods to enter. Apart from that, entry levels, we can understand, okay, the trend is going to change from bearish to bullish. So I can also call it as a trend reversal candle. The pattern trend can be reversed by single candle, that is nothing but a bullish candle, Marubozu candle. Okay, na? Coming to the next one, opposite. This is also Marubozu, but this is Marubozu bullish. Second one, red one, Marubozu bearish. I think you can understand. This is open and this is closed. Whatever means, if we can neglect the wick if it is very small. If wick is big, we can have consider it as a bearish or Marubozu candle. It is also called as momentum candle. This one also. This is positive momentum candle and red one is negative momentum candle. Body should be more than or equals to 80%. Greater than or equals to 80% of the candle should be the body. This is a body, you know. Okay, right. It is in favor of sellers. For example, market is going like this, like this. And if breakdown happened, breakdown should not happen with doji or some other candles. If it happened with a bearish Marubozu candle, confidently we can take a decision. Definitely, there is probably we can see the new trend. If this is uptrend, now onwards it may be a downtrend. Probability only. 100, no, nothing is 100% in the stock market. I think you know. Okay, right. So this is the importance of means. This is a Marubozu candle, Marubozu bearish candle or negative momentum candle. It is in favor of sellers, but only at breakdown. Breakdown. So this is breakdown candle. Actually, importance of this candle. I'm interested to see this as a breakdown candle. Try to understand, my dear friends. Actually, I spend more time to learn all these things. Please, you try to understand the concept. Okay, right. And inverted hammer, see, it is just, this is a hammer. I think you know hammer. This is inverted hammer. It is also like a sign of bearish, but breakdown, sir. Okay, this is a sign of bearish means I take the breakdown action if breakdown happens with this inverted hammer? No, friends, less probability. But this candle is having some importance only if you see the chart. Randomly you go and open the chart, so many bearish what we call inverted hammers can find. But this, if this candle is formed at supply zone, only at supply zone, only at supply zone, we can give some weightage for this particular candle or for inverted hammer. Okay, right. I will show you the example, you don't worry. And you must watch the video for supply zone and demand zone. For example, if this is a supply zone and this is the demand zone, at the supply zone, if you find this type of candle, yes, it can give 5% confirmation market is going to fall. Okay, like that. And just it is exactly opposite to the inverted hammer. Simply it is a hammer, and it better if it is green candle, we can give more priority for this. And this is obviously quite opposite now. Valid if it present only at demand zone. You should know the supply and demand, difference between supply and demand. Not now, later you watch that video available in our channel, any channel, you just in YouTube, you just type demand supply zone, you will get the subject. Subject is free here, we have to utilize it properly, that's all. Okay, so this is a sign of bullish, right? This is a sign of bullish. So it is saying that market is going to be positive, but there are some conditions in patterns we can understand. Next candle has to break the high of this. See, any candle, any red or green, this is high, this is low, this is high, this is low. But if this is open and this is closed, if this is open and this is closed, color green, bullish. Instead of that, if top side open, bottom side closed, bearish, color red. But this high low remains same for both bullish and bearish candles. Don't confuse, right? Please take it on a paper better. This is a neutral candle. You no need to worry about this color. Sometimes you can find the candle like this, but this top and bottom side VIX sides should be equal. Then only we can consider it as a perfect doji. In this case, this is a perfect doji. We have some importance for the doji. In real time market will talk about the doji. This is also called as indecision. What exactly the meaning of doji? Buyers and sellers both are equal, so there is no specific movement in the market. Means it can be move either upside or downside, but if you find this, it means it couldn't move, like neither upside nor downside movement gives you this type of pattern or candle called indecision candle, doji. Sometimes you can find like red or green color, no problem, but it should be very thin, and top side and bottom side VIX should be equal. In that case, I can take it as a perfect doji. And in future, while we are talking about the discussing the subject, we'll discuss the importance of the doji. This is generally like that. We can find so many different types of candles. We have discussed only the very important candles. No need to worry about the remaining. Just leave them. This is also not important. This is called bullish spin top or spinning top and bearish spinning top. Here also maybe more or less these VIX are equal. And here rather than a single horizontal line, you can find some body, non-zero body, some non-zero body. Here almost body should be zero. Body should be zero means it will be some horizontal line. Okay, but here there is some line. Here we can call these candles also like a indecision candles. We can understand the importance of this type of, if this type of candle is formed, next candle may be like this, we can call it as an inside candle. There are different patterns we'll discuss later. Finally, conclusion is you no need to give that much of importance for this type of candles. If you find candle like this, no need to give the importance. Like this, no need to give the importance. You should give the importance for bullish, bearish, hammer, inverted hammer. Only mainly 4 candles, and 5th candle is doji. Okay, right. And this is also neutral candle. I already given body, but wick is also there. Not 80% of the candle is body. Body is 50%. This is 25 total 50% wicks. This is also neutral. There is no meaning. Means market is bearish. Okay, market is little bit bullish. Okay, that's all. We cannot take any decision based on this candle. You can find thousands, hundreds, lakhs of candles like this in the pattern, but we need to identify some important candles. Now, coming to the live chart, I have taken the screenshots here. This is Bank Nifty. Forget about 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You see friends, here, if you click here, you already, we have discussed about the procedure, how to open the chart. You just click here, you can find 5 minutes. You will get each candle time duration is 5 minutes. If you select one day, total day will be formed like one candle, maybe red or green. It depends upon the market price action. Okay, right. You see, this is a downtrend. Market is going downside like this. But you see, suddenly breakout, upside breakout, downside breakdown. Okay, breakout happens. Breakout is not happens with what we call some red candle or doji like this. Please once. Okay, right. See, this is a Morubozu candle. Small wick is there, you neglect, no problem. You can neglect the small wicks. We already discussed. Okay, then only this is a valid breakout. If the breakout happened, breakout means up move happened with red candle invalid. Happened with doji invalid. Happened with neutral candle invalid. See, if you observe carefully, this is also Morubozu candle. See, this is also Morubozu. Wick is very less here. Body is more. This is also Morubozu. I mean bullish candle, but no importance. I already given the military example, na? See, this, there is no importance of this candle as it is appeared here. But if the same candle is appeared here, we can consider it as a very important candle because breakout happened with this candle. I think you got the point. The candle is having good weightage if it is at a correct location. Here, normal green candle, some bullish nature. Red candle, bearish, market is going down, going up and down is common. But here, this is a decision making candle. Okay, decision making candle. That's all. Similarly, breakdown is happened with bearish candle. Breakout, bullish. Breakdown, bearish candle. This is also bearish candle. No importance. This is also bearish. No importance. This is bullish. No importance because market is going like that. But breakdown, this is a trend line broken with what? A red color, maximum body, very less wick. This is actually decision making candle, bearish Morubozu candle. We can understand, okay, market is going to change the trend. Yes, it's happened. You see, market is going upside. Now started downside movement. Like this market will go. Like, I think you got the point. Take the rough sketch also. Right. And for example, this is actually a support line. We'll discuss how to draw support and resistance. Don't worry. But this is a support trend line or support line, whatever, or maybe supply line. Demand zone. This is a demand zone, right? See what I told you. But we should recognize that demand zone. Supply demand zone video available. You can watch it later. At that demand zone, if you find this hammer, it must be red color. Okay, body red color, more wick. If the next candle or in the next 2 to 3 candles, if any of the next 2 to 3 candles break the high of this particular candle, actually this should be green. This should be green color. It should not be red. Red is okay, but if it is green, we can expect 25%. Means there is a 25% of probability. If it is red, 20% of probability. Sir, what about the remaining 75%? There are so many factors which influence the position. Actually, we are talking about literally about single candle. So that is the reason. This head, if the head is green color, and we can consider it as a best bullish sign or a what we call hammer, positive hammer or bullish hammer. That's all. Okay. So now onwards, market can go upside. Sir, here it is red color, but market went up. Okay, you don't consider every combinations on the channel or what we call the charts. We have to consider only high probability patterns. That's all. If it is green, most of the times we can expect the movement like this. If it appeared on demand zone. So with experience, only I can tell you, if you do this for just 2-3 months, you will get experience, sir. Nothing is there. Just practice. Don't spend money. Spend time. You will get the knowledge. That's all. Immediately, if you take the coachings for 1 lakh and 1.5 lakh, no use. Free of at the free of cost, information available in internet and books. Learn. That's all. That is a best idea. Okay. Right. And see, this is a supply zone. This is a supply zone. So I could identify the supply zone, assume 1 month back. Again, market reached that supply zone. Immediately, once if market touch the supply zone, you should not sell. There must be one hammer or evening star. There are some patterns we'll discuss later. Literally, we are talking about candle now. That is the reason. So this is a bearish sign or inverted hammer. So at the low of this candle, I can go for the selling. High of this candle is stop loss. But hello, please don't go for immediately. Don't go for positions with the candle. We are talking about the candle. What I told you, this is 25% of confirmation. Remaining 75% confirmation is decided by so many things. Okay. Okay. But subject point of view, I have selected exact perfect pattern luckily. That is the reason we can see like this. Every time we cannot see like this. From here, market may go like this. Okay. I selected this pattern. I have selected this. Okay. For my explanation comfort. But we should not move into the market immediately. Try to learn the subject. Right. And thank you for watching, guys.